How does a notice to pay or quit affect late rental fees? Have you ever wondered how a notice to pay or quit impacts late rental fees? This legal document is essential for both landlords and tenants. It serves as a formal warning that rent is overdue. Typically, tenants have 3 to 5 days to pay the overdue amount or face eviction. Now let's talk about late fees. The issuance of a notice to pay or quit does not change the amount of late fees owed. These fees are usually outlined in the lease agreement and are governed by state laws. The lease will specify when late fees apply, how much can be charged, and if there are any grace periods. When a landlord issues this notice, it demands payment of the overdue rent plus any late fees that are specified in the lease. If the tenant pays the total amount owed, including late fees, within the notice period, the lease breach is considered resolved. This means eviction proceedings cannot continue. However, if the tenant does not pay the rent and late fees within the specified time, the landlord can move forward with eviction. It is important to note that if a landlord accepts a partial payment after the notice is served, they may lose the right to evict unless a new notice is issued. From the perspective of rental properties, the notice to pay or quit is a vital tool. It encourages tenants to pay overdue rent and any associated late fees promptly. This notice clearly states the landlord's demand for payment and sets a timeline for resolution before eviction actions are taken. This legal document also helps protect rental income by formally documenting the tenant's failure to pay rent on time. It reinforces the consequences of non-payment, making it clear that late fees are part of the total amount due. In summary, the notice to pay or quit affects late rental fees by requiring tenants to pay overdue rent and late fees within a set period or face eviction. It acts as a legal step before eviction, reinforcing the lease terms regarding late fees and payment obligations. This notice does not reduce or waive late fees. Instead, it compels timely payment to avoid further legal action.